How to delete Snap shortcut on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete a Snap shortcut on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete a Snap shortcut on Snapchat, now we're not talking about shortcut on home screen or like that. Instead, we're opening and talking about Snapchat. Whenever we take a snap, we just hit the next option. We want to send this to the shortcuts that we have created. But let's say there are some of the shortcuts that you no longer use or need. How do you delete them? Well, to delete those, you can just try to tap the plus icon, select a particular shortcut, tap the three dots option, tap on delete shortcut, tap on delete, and it's as simple as that. So bottom line is, repeat again, tap the plus icon here whenever you're trying to send a snap, select a shortcut that you would like to edit or delete, and then tap the three dots option, tap on delete shortcut. Now if you want to, you can just go ahead and even create a new shortcut as you like. This way you can basically delete a snap shortcut on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.